Hi guys! Welcome sa SIM01. In this video ay magsisimula tayo ng panibagong series. No? So sa series na to, pag-uusapan natin yung similar triangles. Okay, so kung makikita niyo meron tayong triangle sa ating screen, no? Triangle ABC. And the first exercise, no, bago tayo magsimula, na gusto natin gawin ay paano tayo gagawa ng triangle na twice yung mga sides niya, no? Mga corresponding sides niya dito sa triangle ABC. Okay, so kung gusto niyo pag-isipan at gawin, no, ibig sabihin gagawa kayo ng another triangle na ang sides, for example, itong AC, gagawa ka ng another side na corresponding sa AC, twice siya dapat nito. Ganon din, dapat ganon din yung AB. Pag may side ka dito na AB, twice dapat siya. At ganon din yung AC. Dapat pare-pareho na twice yung corresponding sides. Okay, so pwede nyo i-pause yung video and then I'll come back later if you already have an answer. Okay, so sana nasagutan nyo, no? Tutuloy ko na yung aking discussion and sana nasagutan nyo ng tama, no? So for example, I have a point here, no? Gusto kong gumawa ng twice AC. Ano napapansin nyo? Ito yung AC, di ba? Pareho siya niyan, di ba? It's a diagonal of a 1 by 3. This is a 1 by 3 rectangle, di ba? Diagonal siya. So, ibig sabihin, pag may dalawa akong rectangles, dalawang diagonals, yun na yun, di ba? Yun na yung aking segment, no? So, here, I have to move this where? Sa tingin nyo, saan ko siya dapat i-move? Dito, di ba? Kasi dito, from here to here is one diagonal, and from here to here is one diagonal of a 1 by 3 rectangle. So, yan na yung aking points, no? And this is twice, no? AC, no? Next, what about yung AB? So, AB is a diagonal of a 1 by 2 rectangle. So, this is a 1 by 2 rectangle pag dito ko nilagay, tsaka itong point na to. And then, another 1 by 2, I can put it here. So, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, diagonal of a 1 by 2. Diagonal of a 1 by 3. Ang tanong, yung pang third side kaya, this is a diagonal of a 3 by 2 rectangle, di ba? Itong BC. So, dapat dalawang diagonals na 3 by 2. So, for 3 by 2, pag dito siya, this is a 3 by 2 rectangle, and then this is another 3 by 2 rectangle. So, mukhang tama, no? Mukhang yun yung ating yan. Triangle. Okay, so pwede nyo i-verify if lagyan siguro natin ng pangalan, no? Show label. So makikita nyo if try to verify yourself if DE is twice AC, if DF dapat yata para corresponding DEF. Dapat yata nandito yung E. Pagpalitin ko na lang para yan. And then yan. So DE and AB, DE and AB. DE is twice AB. You can verify. And then DF is twice AC, and see if EF is twice BC. Actually, na-verify na natin yan, and it holds. No? Okay, so if you remember, triangle congruence, no? Diniscuss na natin yan. Pwede nating tignan yung tinatawag natin na corresponding sides, no? So, ang corresponding sides parang pares siya. Yung AC dito, yung AC, ay, ang kapares niya ay DF. Sorry. So, corresponding sides, yeah, pwede natin siguro muna ilagay dito. So, corresponding sides, I think mali yata yung label ko dito. Dapat A, B, C pababa, no? So, palitan na lang natin. This is A. This is B. And this is D, and this is E. Okay, so corresponding sides, no? Corresponding sides. I-review nyo yung yung triangle congruence kung hindi nyo pa alam yung corresponding sides kasi AC and D. Hindi ko na ma-explain dito yan, di ba? Oh, sorry, mali. Hindi ganyan yung symbol length pala yan, no? So, AC, dapat meron siyang segment sa taas. AC, segment symbol. And D, F. No? So, these two are corresponding sides. No? Tapos, AB and D. Tapos, BC and EF. Okay? So, anong napapansin nyo doon sa corresponding sides natin kanina? So, twice, di ba? Ang DF is twice AC. No? So, ang ratio nila is 1:2. So, if you get the ratio, no, ratio of sides. So, AC is 2. Oh, this is length already. So, wala na to. AC is 2. DF is equal to 1:2. Diba twice yung kanyang length? Tapos, AB is to DE. Ang ratio is also 1:2. And what else? BC is to EF is also 1:2. So, parang sinasabi natin na yung ratio of sides, no? Ratio of sides ng triangle are actually the same, no? So, okay, so ano ang special, no? What's the special about these types of relationship, no? Nung triangles, no? Okay, give me a minute. May hinanap lang ako na file, no? So, you can explore, no? Pwede nyo tignan, kung meron kayong software, pwede nyo tignan yung, ano pa yung other properties, no? Ano ba yung other properties ng dalawang triangles na yan, no? Alright, so the properties, no? Ang ratio nila is 1:3. And ang tawag natin sa mga figures na may same ratios, no? Tawag natin sila ay similar triangles, no? So, similar figures. So, in similar figures or similar triangles, or in general, similar figures, no? The ratios of the lengths, no? Lengths of their corresponding sides, no, are equal. So pare-pareho, no, ratio niya 1:2, 1:2, 1:2. No? Pag na-satisfy yan, ang tawag natin dyan ay similar triangles or in general similar figures kasi pwede naman quadrilateral, di ba? Okay, we'll have another exploration. Now, pwede rin natin tignan yung angles, no? Interior angles. Ano napapansin nyo? $37.87. Yun. Okay, so kung meron tayong corresponding sides, meron din tayong pare-pareho, di ba? 60.26, tapos 81.87, tapos 37.87, no? So, ang tawag natin sa mga angles na yan, no? Ang tawag naman natin dyan ay corresponding angles. So, corresponding angles are, ano yun? We have A and D. Ito, makikita natin siya dito sa taas, no? A and D. A and D. Angle A. I think we chose a different color. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Angle D, angle B, and angle E. Tsaka angle C and angle F. So, yan yung mga corresponding angles natin. So, yung tignan yung corresponding angles ulit. So, A at saka D, angle A and angle D. Angle C, tsaka angle F, angle B, and angle E. Okay? So, anong measure nila? Pare-pareho, di ba? Ang corresponding angles. So, yung angle A parehong 81.7, yung angle B, tsaka angle E parehong 60.26, at yung angle F and angle C parehong 37.87. So, measures, no? So, measures of corresponding angles. So measure of angle A is equal to measure of angle D. Measure of angle B is equal to measure of angle E. Measure of angle C is equal to measure of angle F. So in similar triangles, pwede nating balikan the ratios of the lengths of their corresponding sides are equal. Kulang ng E, no? Meron pang isa, and the measures, no? The measures of their corresponding angles are equal. Okay? So, ang ratio ng corresponding sides nila equal at ang measure ng kanilang corresponding angles are equal. So, yun yung mga properties, no? These are the properties of similar figures. So, this part here, I messed it up. So, this is properties of similar figures. So, although similar triangle yung ating pinag-usapan, no? Pero it applies to all similar figures. Okay, pag ganito yung properties nila, ibig sabihin, triangle ABC, no? Triangle ABC is similar, no? Similar. So, ang similar na pag-usapan din natin dito yung ratio, no? Hindi yung similar na pareho lang. No? So, this is a technical term. Is similar to triangle DEF. Or, we can use the similar symbol. ABC is similar, no, to triangle DEF. Okay, so ang basa dito sa symbol na to ay is similar to Okay, so yan lang muna. Medyo mahaba-haba tong video na to, but this is an introduction na sa tingin ko hindi pwedeng putulin. So, yeah. This is it, no? Okay, so gusto ko yung invite sa ating website, zip9.com, at syempre sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/zip9page. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video.